Hi and welcome back to the channel, and today in the Crazy Baker kitchen we're going to be doing caramel and we're going to be using Nestle's condensed milk. It's really good stuff. That combination with other things gets you the perfect caramel. Please subscribe and please share, and don't forget guys, your recipe is below the video in the description, and also you can find it on my Facebook page at The Traditional Bakery. Anyway, we'll get right on with the video. And for your recipe, you want a can of condensed milk. This is 1 kilogram. You want 250 grams of butter and 250 grams of soft brown sugar. And also you'll need a good pan, preferably with a copper base if you can, and a wooden spoon. Before we move on any further with the recipe, what we're going to do is get our saucepan and our tin. And all we're going to do is put it into the saucepan and fill it with warm water. What this is for is so you're warming up the contents inside the tin to make it come out, because basically speaking this is like golden syrup. It's sticky glue and you need to warm it. It makes it much easier to come out the tin. So what we're going to do is warm up that first for about 10 minutes. And for this part of the recipe, all we're going to be doing is melting down our butter and adding in our brown sugar. First, into the saucepan add in your butter. Now we'll melt this down. Now add in the sugar and give this a good stir around, continuously stirring. And you really want to get this well dissolved. And we want to be bringing this to a boiling point. And always watch the base of the pan, because you don't really want to burn it. Well, that's mostly dissolved in now. So all we're going to do now is add in our contents of our condensed milk and stir that in. Get that all mixed in. Now we want to take this to boiling point, and then we want it to boil it until it goes nice and thick. Now we're ready. It's as simple as that. And there you go, your instant caramel. Please subscribe and please share, and don't forget the recipe is below the video in the description, and also you can find it on my Facebook page at Traditional Bakery. And we'll see you again very shortly in the Crazy Baker kitchen. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking, lifestyle, recipes, reviews, I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!